伟大的中国共产党万岁！
On Tuesday, Chinese President wey be Xi Jinping don come out to come talk say no country wey dey for inside the world go fit fight their obodo China as im declare 70 years of Communist Party's rule as e showcase their military expert on a high choreography parade wey there be about 15,000 troops with some high-tech ogbonge missiles bomb and weapons. Like the president of China come dey talk no force go fit shake the foundation of this obodo China and say because we China will get one mind, I will get better development wey dey happen as im come dey talk to im people and the people wey dey for obodo world from Pidgin Tournament Square when be chair of power and when Mao Zedong announced the foundation of People's Republic of China on October 1st, 1949. The main thing wey make Chinese people dey gather on Tuesday na to show the world their new weapon of big bomb wey dey for inside China. One of them na this intercontinental ballistic missile wey go fit carry 10 other nuclear warheads wey go fit reach America under 30 minutes. E dey run with 9,000 miles. E dey fly pass any other missile bomb wey dey for inside the obodo world. On top the air, another type of bomber wey dey do to push power as far as inside Pacific Ocean. And it na the China first stealth jet fighter. But the showstopper na the ogbonge weapon for the future. They still can't do this drone wey dey fight wey carry sharp sword and unmanned area combat motor wey go fit fight the pilot striker fighter make e for not work again. This supersonic reconnaissance drone wey they do na make e for find American aircraft carrier as far out for inside Pacific Ocean. And they still get hypersonic missile and also a slick dart wey dey fly well 5 times e pass the speed of noise sound. Hey, China won't keep person e fast well so tey e go fit burst to enter any missile bomb defense wey dey for inside obodo world for west. Chai, the fear of China na beginning of sense my people, this are not be Amotekwu. This na man about reporting for Pidgin News Network.